In this video, we will learn how to install the current NetBeans version on Windows 11. For NetBeans, we need Java. Let us first install Java, then we will install the current NetBeans version. Go to the web browser. On Google, type Oracle Java and hit enter. On hitting enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website. Click the download Java button. Now the downloads are visible. Go below. Under JDK26, go to Windows. Here, for the x64 installer, click here. Click the link. Now the exe file will download. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The download started. Click next. Java will get installed in the following location. Not a problem. Click next. Now Java will get installed. Click close. We have installed Java. Let us set the path. Go to the location where we installed Java. It was in C drive, program files. Here it is, Java. Click JDK 26.0.2 bin and copy this path. Minimize. Go to start, type environment variables. Click open. Now under advanced, click environment variables. Now under path, you need to double click. Now set the path. We copied this path like this. Click new and paste the same path. We have pasted the path. Click OK. Now here we need to also set the Java underscore home path. For that, click new. Here type the variable name and value. Under variable name, type Java underscore home. And under variable value, you need to just paste the same path but remove the bin. That's it. Click OK. OK. And the last OK. We have installed Java. Let us verify. Go to start, type CMD. Click open. Type Java -- version and hit enter. This shows that we successfully installed the current Java version. Close this. Now let us install NetBeans. Go to the browser, under a new tab, type NetBeans and hit enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. On reaching the official website, always it will show the current version. The current version is NetBeans 31. Click on it to download. Now here we need to download the following. So I'll click on it. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the zip file. Right click and click show in folder. Now right click and click extract all. Click extract. We have extracted. Double click the NetBeans folder. Double click the bin folder and here the exe file is visible. Double click the exe file. We have double clicked the exe file. Let's wait. NetBeans opened. Go to file. Click new project. Under Java with Maven, click Java application and click next. We are creating our first Java program, that is a project. Add the project name. So I have given the name Amit Java application. It will automatically get saved in the following location. Add a package also. Let's say I'll add my company name. What is a package? A package can include multiple classes. Click finish. So here now you can see our Amit Java application is under the following package. Okay, and the file name is equal to the class name, else there will be an error. So this is our package com.studiopedia and we have a file in it. It automatically created a first program. Okay, whatever we will add inside this will get displayed. So I'll just change it to my name. That's it. I'll just go to file and click save all. Okay, now let us run it. To run it, you can directly click here. So the output will be Amit Diwan. Here it is, Amit Diwan. So for a free Java tutorial, refer to the links in the description of the video. We have also added free study material. Thank you for watching.